In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method. If you don't have it, you need to set it up. And tap on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!